As a homeowner in Southlake, you're fortunate to have access to a beautiful, picturesque landscape with diverse features ranging from well-manicured lawns to stunning trees, water features, and architectural highlights. With such a unique landscape, the right outdoor lighting can enhance your home's beauty, boost its curb appeal, and improve safety and functionality. However, choosing the right outdoor lighting for your Southlake home requires thoughtful consideration of your property's characteristics, your needs, and how to blend aesthetics with practicality. In this article, we'll walk you through key factors to consider when choosing outdoor lighting for your Southlake home and help you create an outdoor space that complements the natural beauty of your landscape while serving your lighting needs. Consider your landscape's features. The first step in choosing the right outdoor lighting for your Southlake home is to assess the unique features of your landscape. Your lighting choices should highlight the areas you want to emphasize, whether that's the grandeur of mature trees, a beautiful garden, a swimming pool, or your front entrance. Different lighting techniques can serve to bring out the natural beauty of these elements. Trees and shrubs. Use uplighting to accentuate the height and structure of large trees, or downlighting to create a soft, moonlit effect that mimics natural light. LED spotlights can highlight individual shrubs or smaller trees, adding texture and dimension to your garden. Water features. If you have a pond, fountain, or waterfall, submersible lighting can be a great choice. It illuminates the water from below, creating stunning reflections and adding a serene atmosphere to your backyard. Architectural features. To highlight your home's exterior, consider using wall-mounted lights or floodlights to accentuate your architectural design. Gable lights or recessed lighting along the roofline can create a dramatic effect that draws attention to your home's distinctive features. By strategically lighting different aspects of your property, you can create a harmonious outdoor lighting design that complements and showcases your unique landscape. Focus on functionality, safety and security. While outdoor lighting can certainly enhance the beauty of your property, it also serves practical functions. For homeowners in Southlake, where safety and security are top priorities, the right lighting can help protect your home and make your outdoor spaces more functional. Pathway and walkway lighting. To improve safety and visibility, pathway lights along your driveway, front walk, or garden paths are essential. These lights guide guests safely to your door, helping them avoid trips or falls, especially in darker months or during rainy weather. Motion sensor lighting. For added security, motion sensor lights can be installed near entryways, garages, and along the perimeter of your property. These lights automatically turn on when they detect movement, alerting you to potential intruders while saving energy by staying off when not in use. Deck and patio lights. If you have a deck or patio, adequate lighting allows you to enjoy your outdoor space after dark. Install step lights, rail lights, or recessed lighting for a safe, well-lit area that creates a comfortable atmosphere for evening gatherings and relaxation. By focusing on both aesthetics and functionality, you can create an outdoor lighting scheme that offers both beauty and practicality. Choosing the right lighting fixtures for your style. The style of your home and landscape plays a significant role in the type of lighting fixtures you choose. Southlake boasts a variety of architectural styles, from traditional and rustic homes to modern and contemporary properties, so it's important to choose outdoor lighting that complements the design of your home. Traditional homes. For homes with a more classic style, consider using lantern-style lights, wall sconces, or classic lantern posts. These fixtures blend seamlessly with older homes or traditional designs, offering a timeless, elegant look that enhances the exterior. Modern homes. If you have a more contemporary or modern home, opt for sleek, minimalist fixtures with clean lines. Recessed lighting, spotlights, and pendant lights can highlight your home's architectural features without overwhelming the design. Choose fixtures with simple, understated designs that complement your home's aesthetic. Rustic or farmhouse styles. For rustic or farmhouse-style homes, look for lighting options like vintage lanterns, farmhouse sconces, or industrial-style lights. These options work well in Southlake's more rural or nature-oriented settings, creating a cozy, welcoming ambiance that suits the surrounding landscape. The key is to ensure that the lighting fixtures you choose match the style and vibe of your home while providing the lighting you need. Energy efficiency. Saving money and the environment. Southlake residents can benefit from energy-efficient lighting solutions that save both money and energy. Modern outdoor lighting, particularly LED lights, are designed to use significantly less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs. This reduces the overall energy consumption of your outdoor lighting system, which is especially important if you plan to keep your lights on for long periods during the evening. LED lights are long-lasting, durable, and come in a variety of styles, making them an excellent choice for any outdoor lighting application. Solar-powered lights are another eco-friendly option. They use the sun's energy to power the lights at night, making them an ideal solution for gardens, pathways, and areas that receive plenty of sunlight during the day. By investing in energy-efficient lighting, you can reduce your carbon footprint while saving on your electricity bill. Professional installation and customization. For the best results, it's important to hire a professional lighting company to install your outdoor lighting. A professional installer has the experience and expertise to design and set up a lighting system that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. They can ensure that the lights are placed correctly, fixtures are wired safely, and everything is up to code. Additionally, professionals can offer customization options to fit your exact needs, whether you're lighting up a large estate or creating a cozy atmosphere in a smaller garden. Conclusion. Installing the right outdoor lighting in your Southlake home is a great way to enhance its beauty, safety, and functionality. By carefully considering the unique features of your landscape, choosing fixtures that complement your home's style, and investing in energy-efficient solutions, you can create an outdoor lighting system that improves curb appeal, security, and enjoyment of your outdoor spaces. Whether you're illuminating a beautiful garden or enhancing the entryway to your home, outdoor lighting is a valuable investment that will enhance the overall ambiance of your property.